Okey guys, selamat malam dan hari ini dan malam ini dan masa ini kita akan bermain Dead Tapers Fading Fathers. Yap. Ada benda yang tak kena ni. Okey. Dah, nice. Kita tunggu keramaian masuk. Keramaian masuk, keramaian masuk, keramaian masuk, keramaian masuk. Kita tunggu keramaian masuk, keramaian masuk. Takkan dia tak Takkan dia tak ni siap. Ada Syed, ada Ombak Rindu, ada SK. Lah, jom. Kita baru bermula ni. Kita baru bermula. Tapi mana yang lain siap? Ada Nuyin. Ada Milas. Ada Enjoy, ada Fadi, ada Gazeta Beta, ada Nash, ada Jason. Ada TBR. Mana diorang ni? Diorang tak masuk ke? Diorang tak masuk ke? Diorang tak masuk ke? Mana diorang? Nampaknya macam Uish, thank you mana tap screen. Thank you duk. Thank you mana tap screen. Thank you duk.
And screams come from the window of the house where we used to dwell. Bubbles and steam and lots of
Guys,
wild
bantu tap screen. Mana yang baru masuk jangan lupa follow guys. Bantu follow guys. Dan bantu subscribe YouTube channel saya guys. Saya pemula guys.
held by a fellow
Thank you mana yang
named
dah
Simon.
follow.
Then I found out his
Anjing game apa ni? Bapak barai siap muka dia. Hello? Siapa ni? Saya tidak berminat dalam bahasa Cina. Don't go here anymore. We'll tear your leg off and shove them up your ass. Beli apa? Kita buka. Good morning ho. Hi Pak An, hi Vai. Akhirnya Vai masuk doh. Good morning, what are you talking to? I don't know, the connection is bad. Looks like someone was trying to sell me garbage. Did you have a nightmare again? Since we moved here, I've been having them non-stop. Maybe it has something to do with your lifestyle. It has to do with my father. That lifestyle has nothing to do with it. I know he was close to you and you very upset about it. Your father was very good man. He wanted us to live in his house. Okay, let's not talking about it. Do we have food? Guys, look in the fridge. Kita tengok Xbox, kita tengok Xbox. Hai bang. Ada Darwish. Main game horror lagi. Nanti Pak An mesti takut kan? Tak takut. Tak takut, tak takut. Kali ni tak takut, kali ni tak takut. Serius cakap. Guys, mana yang baru masuk, jangan lupa follow. Tolong follow dan tolong subscribe YouTube channel saya guys. Thank you guys. Mana yang dah menyelesaikan tugas-tugas anda. I need to claim my nerve. First, a bottle of beer would definitely do the trick. This is it. Liquid gold. Very too early. You were thinking all day yesterday. I work and bring money into the house and I deserve to relax tonight. Of course you do, just not at this rate. Believe me, drinking a couple bottle of vodka a night will kill you if you don't care what's happened and this think about us. Stop being hysterical. It'll be fine. I will quit anytime I feel better, but not now. It's like I'm not myself. You think it's okay to fall asleep drunk at the kitchen table and our son sees all? Shut your mouth, I said. Bini dia nangis. Now this different matter. What could be better than cold beer in the morning? Wah, I pagi-pagi minum ni siap. Pagi-pagi minum arak dul. Tak patut dicontohi dul. And you want it? Okay, sorry dear, I didn't mean. Okay dear. Okay, sorry dear, I didn't mean to yell at you. Just don't say any more stupid things. So maybe you have breakfast with me? I have breakfast and exactly lunchtime. Going to school soon to pick up our son. I will come with you. Maybe you should stay home. Have you even seen yourself in the mirror? Your face is turning blue. I'm scared of what people will think. They can think whatever they want. I don't give a shit. I want to ask you to clean those stains in the bedroom. Wipe it off when you get home. I'm tired, but your voice is so toxic. It won't even get off the wall. Are you crazy? I could vomit on the wall. I don't know what is it, but I can wipe it off. Okay, I will clean that stand, but tell me which one of you and son broke the TV. Nobody watched TV but you. I remember you used to watch TV before. Why are you lying? It was a long time ago. If you don't know how to use technology, stay out of it. I'm sick of fixing it every time after you. Dia marah pula bini kita. Bini kita pula.
Yes, it's the Mickey Rooney Show.
A hard worker
Brought to
will
you
serve
by the
for another
Jolly
100
Green
years.
Giant, your best friend in peas and corn.
Lepas tu dia suruh ni kan. Dia suruh ni kan. What the fuck? She tricked me to cleaning this dirt. Well, as usual. Ini macam darah siap.
Yes, it's the Mickey
Darah
Rooney
dia.
Show. Brought to you by the Jolly Green Giant.
I'm leaving. I will be back soon.
Peas and corn.
Yes, go. Dah bersih dah.
Yes, it's the Mickey Rooney Show. Brought to you by the Jolly Green Giant, your best friend in peas and corn.
Feel like something fall in bedroom. I need to put in the VCR and see what's on it. Satu K dah. Thank you do. Mana yang tap. Guys, mana yang baru masuk jangan lupa follow, jangan lupa subscribe. Dah, kita main sampai sini je kan tadi kan, betul tak? Gelap sangat, Dul. Ini kita jadi hantu tu. Betul kata Darwish. Okey, jom. Lepas tu buat apa? So kat telefon lagi. Hi, where did you disappear to? I couldn't get through of you for 2 weeks. Why even you come to work? Hi, I am on vacation. I'm supposed to be back on Monday. What vacation? Stop drinking. I'm lucky I was able to find a request for you. But you have to be here the day after tomorrow. Otherwise you will be fired. What's the on bastard? The only way he will let me rest is in the afterlife. Berarti kita masuk sini terus kan? Ni apa benda siap? Lepas tu kita patah balik betul? Oh dia pitam sini. Apaan ye Rans? Are you completely incensed? Antiseptic? I could do otherwise. I had to drink it to get out. Get out of the bedroom. You could have just opened the door. It wasn't bedroom, but a dark hallway with bottle of holy water. This bottle stood on the nightstand and was illuminated by rays from the sky. I never hear such nonsense from you. How many times? Dia ni dah mabuk tu guys. Serius tu. Dia ni dah mabuk tu. You wrong. Everything will be fine. I'm so tired of putting up with this. Get up. Get up and go out. I need to take a bath. If you come to your sense, help your son with his homework. Because of you, his school performance has gotten really bad. My eyes splitting. Do you know if we have any pills? Look, they should be in the kitchen. Dia ni dah mabuk tu. Serius tu. Dia ni dah mabuk tu. Jalan pun pelan je. Lepas tu? Lepas tu kena gimana? Dad, are you okay? Where's mom? I'm okay, son, but it'd like to be better. Mom is thinking fine. How are you doing at school? Everything's fine. I'm just trying to do my homework. Don't lie, Dad. Everything's fine. I know you are a really dumbass. Okay, wait here. I grab a chair and come back. Sambil kursi kita main sebagai seorang bapa tu. Mana kita ambil kursi ni? Kursi kat mana ni? Kursi kat dapur ke? Pakai kursi dapur ke? Kursi dapur siap. Why don't you want to study? Kenapa awak tak nak study? Ayah, saya dah mencuba tapi subjek matematik susah. Saya tak faham bila belajar. Don't make excuse. Show me what you're given. Well, okay, tengok. So the multiplication table, everything is simple here if you learn it. Well, it see how much 2 times 3 is. 4, yeah, it look like you're really bad shape. Tell me, what do you do all day? 2 tambah 4 dia jawab 5. 2 tambah 3 jawapan dia 4. So I understand that you need to in life is study properly, but you couldn't even do that. You should go to work. You don't have an angry boss or discouraged wife who always yelling at you really that stupid that you can't understand basic things. Sit down and do everything yourself. Maybe it's finally get thrown to your stupid head. And if not, then I will have to knock. Apa siap patutnya ajar tu? Bapak dia pun malas ajar anak dia. So, kita nak pergi mana ni? Mak dia hilang dah. Do you have son? I explained to him he needs to study and that all. And then he decide for himself. Mak I dia tipu tu. Maybe I should leave you. Leave me? Are you going to leave me at the hardest moment of my life? What about you promise to be with auntie Diane? Sorry, I could kill it. Don't do this, I'm already going crazy. If you leave, I won't survive it. I quit drinking. I promise, just give me some time to recover from this state. Time ran out yesterday. What are you talking about? Forget me and let me go. You need to eat Grand Strange. I cook some food, look in the fridge. Bini nak minta cerai tu. Apa Sarul? Apa Sarul? Kita punya POV ni dah gila tu. Apa benda Dul? Yo, ada Suhaimi, ada Bob. What's going on here? I need to board up this door. The box was somewhere in my room. Huh? Kita ambil tukul ni duk. Kita nak pergi pukul duk benda tu. Jom kita pergi pukul. Huh? Kita kunci pintu. Betul lah, dia ni dah gila lah. Hai? Hai? Ya, dia ni dah mabuk dulu. Hai? Hai? What the fuck? Hai? Hai? Ni dah mabuk Dul. Dia ni dah mabuk Dul. Hai? Asal tak ditutup? Hai? Asal tak boleh ni? Lepas tu nak bawa ke mana, Dul? Dah berhalusinasi dah kita. Ya, Dul. Dah gila, Dul. Tapi masalahnya tak boleh tekan pun. Okey dah. Ambil handphone awak. What the fuck? Dia dah gila, dia dah mabuk ah, dia dah mabuk ah, dia dah mabuk ah. Dia dah mabuk, dia dah mabuk, dia dah mabuk, dia dah mabuk. Huh? Ada satu pintu je, Dul. Saya rasa ni lagi seram ah daripada Bad Parenting. Bad Parenting lagi best lah saya ingat. Ih. Kat mana, Dul? Kena buka semua ke? Kena buka semua ke? Uish. Iya doh, dah mabuk dah tu. Buka semua tu. Semua botol ni siap. Semua idea siap. Semua idea siap. Apaan kata Rans? Ya Rans. Tak dia. Nak kena buka semua ke? Apa tu? Apa dia? Seram dulu ni. Okey dah, Sisi Brock. Apa benda dulu? Jauh ni. Kanan kiri ya, kanan kiri ya. Kanan kiri. Kanan kiri tu. Iya. Kanan macam tak balik tu. Dah. Tiba kita bawa kereta pula. Dad, do you know what I asked for Santa food? Huh? Son, don't disturb Dad. It's forget outside. Don't worry, honey. Everything under control. Yeah, I already dragged you to the car. Stop it. Guys, mana yang baru masuk, bantu follow, bantu subscribe guys. So what did you ask for? Bike. There isn't much room in Santa's sack. Think again. But I really want a bike. Maybe there will be room. I studied well all year. We have a nice bike in the attic. We just need assemble and paint it. Touch the road. Huh? Dia dah mabuk tu ni. Dia dah mabuk tu guys, serius kan? Mabuk ke next level. Mabuk ni. What the fuck? Itu bukan bini dengan anak dia ke?
Boy, I really did it last night. Got drunk, acted stupid, went home with
Dia pergi langgar Dul.
who is that? What am I stupid? How did I do this? Barry began to worry, really worry. What about AIDS? Then he remembered, hey, I'm just a cartoon. I don't even have to shower. Get high, get stupid, get AIDS. Boy, I really did it last night. Got drunk, acted stupid, went home with... Who is that? What am I, stupid? How did I do this? Barry began to worry, really worry. What about AIDS? Then he remembered, hey, I'm just a cartoon. I don't even have to shower. Get high, get stupid, get AIDS.
Get high, get stupid and get AIDS. Apa?
Boy, I really did it last night.
Turn down the
Got
volume,
drunk,
my is
acted
blinking.
stupid,
I'm
went home
watching at low volume. Have you done your homework? What the hell are you doing near the TV?
Barry began to worry,
Dad, I
really
haven't
worry.
been to school for today.
What about AIDS? Then he remembered,
Why you decide to skip school?
I'm just a cartoon.
My mom used to drive me, but now she's gone. I miss her so
Get
much.
stupid. Get AIDS.
Looks like she decided to leave
Boy,
us
I really
after
did
all.
it last night.
Your mom
Got drunk,
is
acted
an
stupid,
insensitive
went home
person.
with...
Maybe it's far too
with-
best that she left.
Who is that? What am
What
I,
will
stupid?
happen now? Everything will be fine. I quit
Barry
drinking
began
tomorrow
to
and
worry,
drive
really
to
worry.
school and bapak dia kuat mabuk. Oh, I don't want a new
I'm
mom. I
just a
need
cartoon.
really my real mom.
Shower.
It's all because of you.
Get
She
high,
left because of you.
Get stupid.
All you had
Get
to do
AIDS.
was do as she said. You fucking annoying me, you little
Boy, I
bastard.
really-
Ish. Aku rasa bini dengan anak dia dah ni tu, dah memang dah tinggalkan dia siap seorang dia ni dah gila. Memang dah gila ke serius. Apa tu? Dia tadi bunyi tung 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 tu. Mani. Dapur kan? Eh! Hai, main video lagi ke? Apa tu? Jadi yang ni saya rasa ni kita jadi hantu dul. jadi hantu dulu ni. Kita nak ke mana tu? Asal berdarah tu? Asal berdarah tu? Tak ada apa pun. Ai! Kayu ni ada lagi? Bukan ada kunci pintu ke? Lepas nak ke mana tu? Ai! Ni nak ke mana tu? Tak boleh tekan pun. Tak boleh tekan tu. Lepas tu ni kita nak ke mana tu? Tak boleh tekan apa-apa pun. Tak boleh tekan apa-apa tu. Dah. What the hell? What the hell? Tak boleh buat apa-apa pun. Ada apa-apa tertinggal ke? Ada apa-apa tertinggal ke? Ada apa-apa tertinggal ke? Tak boleh naik atas ni pun. Lepas tu ni buat apa tu? Lepas tu ni buat apa tu? Tak boleh ambil apa-apa pun. Tak boleh buat apa-apa pun. Tak boleh buat apa-apa pun. Ai. Tak boleh buat apa-apa tu. Pintu iceberg pun tak boleh buka. Tak boleh buat apa-apa tu. Serius tak boleh buat apa-apa tu. Sekejap. Tak jadi apa-apa pun. Tak jadi apa-apa. Jap tu guys. Siapa jadi tu? Siapa ending dia? Oh. Okey, tahu dah. Pak An, Alif ni bos. Nampak Alif ni bos. Ni kat belakang ni ada ni, Pintu rahsia tu. What the fuck? Bapak dia gila tu. Dia bunuh anak bini dia, siap. Tolong bawa balik ke? Open up. It's the police. Uish. Polis tu. Polis dah sampai tu. Hai. Mabuk tu dia ni. Anak dia nangis tu. What the fuck?
Shudders and screams come from the
What the
window
fuck?
of the house where we used to dwell. Bubbles and steam and lots of wild laughter. Oh, what a hair-raising you!
Aku gantung dul dah mabuk dul ni. Serius tu. Thanks for playing lah. Tu je. Dah habis dah Ali bos. Oh, pening siap game dia. Memang betul-betul mabuk siap game tu. Serius, game tu game mabuk tu. Game mabuk tu, serius tu, game mabuk tu.